Well, here we have just one of the 217 2018 Grand Sport Coupes built with the Z07 Performance Package. Beautiful car, really stands out here in our rear showroom today at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. This car just came in, so it's new to our inventory. Again, 2018 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport Z07 2LT Coupe, just 24,000 miles. Oh, this is a beauty. It won't last long, so give us a call real quick. This is blade silver on the exterior, jet black on the interior, and I love those beautiful glass tops as well. It has under the hood, it has a 465 horsepower LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $4,455 2LT preferred equipment group, heads-up display Bose 10-speaker stereo system with steering wheel controls, MyLink, auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter. It has the memory package, and this car also includes a front view camera. We have the Grand Sport package, which includes black brake calipers, electronic limited slip differential with cooler multi-mode exhaust, magnetic selective ride control, dry sump oil system. It has those Z06 size wheels, tires, and brakes, Z06 style rocker panels, wider quarter panels and fenders, specific gear ratios, has wicker bill rear spoiler, and specific front splitter and side skirts as well. It has that $7,995 Z07 Performance Package. This has the Brembo carbon ceramic matrix brake rotors, gray black caliper override, performance data recorder with navigation, chrome wheels, remote start. It has the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capability, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, HID headlights, OnStar tilt and telly, side bags, rear view camera, power, well, everything on it. So this car comes with some nice options. And this is a stupid rare 2018 Corvette Grand Sport showing just 24,115 miles. And it is in good condition. As we said, just one of the 217 of these cars that were built with the Z07 Performance Package. Car's paint's in good condition, great shine, glass top is in very good, chrome wheels look great, and of course the interior just looks fabulous. So give us a call on this car at 770-414-5555, buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really, really soon.